Alright, welcome back to the vlog. Let me show you. This right here, this is the wheel that I got for the car. Now the video that I did with the wheels that I bought before, it got deleted. I don't know, something happened, I deleted all the video. So what happened is I bought these wheels and they came in a different color and I painted them. I had the videos after I painted them and all that, but like I said, all the videos got deleted. But anyway, I painted them. I spent probably like $50, spray paint them. They're not perfect, but I think they're turning out pretty good. I probably have to redo it maybe next summer, but for right now I think they look pretty good. But I just want to do a short video because the video that I had got deleted. So these ones are 19 and they are 9.5 on the back, and they are 8.5 on the front. 8.5 on the front, 9.5 on the back. And I got the 225. What is it? Hold on, give me 1 second. Alright, these ones are 255, 35. And the ones on the front are 225, 40. And that's the size. So these ones on the back, I believe they are 36 positive offset, and the ones on the front are 32 positive offset, just so you have an idea. But anyway, any question, just leave it in the comment section. Alright, till the next one.